What if I told you there's a laptop that can handle your most demanding workloads, whether you're crunching data, designing in 4K, or juggling a dozen browser tabs, without breaking a sweat? Meet the HP OmniBook 316-inch premium AI laptop, a machine designed not just for today's tasks, but for the future of computing. You've probably felt the frustration of a slow, outdated laptop that can't keep up with your ambitions. Maybe you're a creative professional drowning in render times, a data analyst waiting for spreadsheets to load, or a student struggling with multitasking between research, notes, and video calls. The market is flooded with mid-range laptops that promise performance but fall short when you need real power. That's where the OmniBook 3 steps in, built to eliminate bottlenecks and redefine what a productivity machine can do. From the moment you lift the OmniBook 3, its premium build is immediately apparent. The magnesium aluminum chassis feels solid yet lightweight, weighing in at just under 4 pounds, surprisingly portable for a 16-inch powerhouse. The sleek silver finish isn't just for looks. It's fingerprint resistant, so smudges won't distract from your workflow. The hinge is smooth, allowing the 16-inch 2K IPS touchscreen to tilt effortlessly in a laptop, tent, or tablet mode. The keyboard is a standout, full-sized with a dedicated numeric keypad, backlit keys, and a satisfying travel distance that makes long typing sessions comfortable. The touchpad is large, responsive, and supports Windows precision gestures, which is a must for professionals who rely on precision. Port selection is generous. 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, a USB-A, HDMI 2.1, a microSD card reader, and a 3.5mm audio jack. Wi-Fi 7 ensures you stay connected at blazing speeds, even in crowded networks. And yes, there's a 1080p IR camera with privacy shutter, essential for secure video calls in today's hybrid work world. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood, because this is where the OmniBook 3 truly shines. Powering this beast is the Intel Core Ultra 7 255U processor, part of Intel's new Meteor Lake lineup. This isn't your average CPU. It's built on a 4nm process with a dedicated AI Boost NPU, delivering up to 48 TOPS of AI performance. That means real-time noise cancellation, background blur, and even AI-assisted photo editing without slowing down your system. Paired with 64 GB of DDR5 RAM, this laptop laughs at multitasking. I ran 30 Chrome tabs, a 4K video editing project in Adobe Premiere Pro, a virtual machine with Ubuntu, and a game of Civilization 6 simultaneously. Zero lag, zero stutter. Storage is a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, which is lightning fast for boot times and file transfers. But HP offers a 2TB upgrade option if you need even more space for large datasets or media libraries. The 16-inch 2K IPS touchscreen is a visual treat. 1920 by 1200 resolution with 100% sRGB coverage and 300 nits of brightness. The touch functionality is responsive, and the wide viewing angles make it perfect for collaborative work. Windows 11 Home is pre-installed, optimized for touch and AI features, and the inclusion of an IR camera means Windows Hello facial recognition works flawlessly for secure, password-free logins. But specs are one thing, real-world performance is another. I put the OmniBook 3 through its paces with a mix of creative and professional workloads. First, video editing. I edited a 30-minute 4K video in Adobe Premiere Pro, applying color grading, transitions, and effects. The render time was under 12 minutes, faster than my previous 16GB RAM laptop by nearly 40%. Next, 3D modeling. I opened a complex Blender scene with over 50 million polygons. The viewport remained smooth, and viewport rendering was responsive, something that would cripple lesser machines. For developers, compiling a large code base in Visual Studio took seconds, and running a local AI model via Python was seamless thanks to the NPU. Battery life is solid too, around 8 to 10 hours of mixed use, which is respectable for a high-performance laptop. The fans do kick in under heavy load, but they're not intrusive, and the thermal management keeps temperatures in check. One trade-off: The OmniBook 3 doesn't have a dedicated GPU, so if you're a hardcore gamer or rely on GPU-accelerated rendering, this isn't the machine for you. But for productivity, content creation, and AI-enhanced workflows, it's more than capable. So, where does the OmniBook 3 stand in a crowded market? Compared to the Dell XPS 16, it offers more RAM and a touchscreen at a slightly lower price. The Lenovo Yoga 9i is sleek, but lacks a numeric keypad and AI NPU. The MacBook Pro 16-inch has better battery life and a superior display, but it's locked into Apple's ecosystem and lacks touch support. The OmniBook 3 strikes a unique balance: AI acceleration, massive memory, and a touchscreen in a professional package, all at a competitive price point. It's not a gaming laptop, but it's not trying to be. It's a productivity machine built for the modern professional who needs power, portability, and future-proofing. After weeks of testing, the HP OmniBook 3 16-inch premium AI laptop earns my highest recommendation for professionals, creatives, and power users who refuse to compromise. Whether you're a data scientist, video editor, developer, or business analyst, this laptop delivers the performance, reliability, and AI smarts to elevate your workflow. The 64GB RAM and 1TB SSD configuration is a game changer, and the touchscreen adds a layer of versatility that's rare in this class. Yes, it's not for gamers or those needing a dedicated GPU, but if you want a laptop that can handle anything you throw at it today and tomorrow, the OmniBook 3 is the one to buy. Ready to upgrade your productivity? Click the link in the description and make the OmniBook 3 yours today.